Now, everybody look at the screen. I'll give you a circle, say x square plus y square equals to a square. Can you please be quick and tell me what is going to be the center of this circle fast?
0,0
Origin.
Origin रहेगा. Okay. And what is going to be the radius of this circle? Tell me fast.
So A.
A.
Okay, fine. So I'm just drawing this now. Now let me take one point, say P, okay? And if I connect O to P, you'll agree that this is length OP is radius A. Agree करते हो आप लोग? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If I give you this angle theta, ठीक है? Tell me one thing. This point can move, okay? ये point P इधर है, अभी इधर move करेगा, तो क्या और साथ में move हो जाएगा? थीटा move होगा?
Yes.
अगर point इधर आ जाएगा, ठीक है ना? तो क्या move होगा बताइए? थीटा move होगा? अगर पॉइंट इधर आ जाएगा क्या मूव हो जाएगा बताइए? थीटा मूव हो जाएगा. अगर पॉइंट इधर आ जाएगा, ठीक है, तो क्या मूव होगा? थीटा मूव होगा. Are you all with me? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, suppose I want to find the coordinates of the point on the line. Okay, that means on the circle, right? That means if I give you the coordinates as x comma y, how many unknowns are there? Tell me.
So only theta, na?
No. How many unknowns are there? X and y, two unknowns are there.
Yes.
Come on, be quick. Yes or no? Students, I want answer from everybody. How many unknowns are there? Be quick.
4
X,
now.
Y, and theta.
Right now, there are only two unknowns. X and Y. So, see, you forget theta. आप theta भूल जाओ, ठीक है? अब मुझे बात बताओ, अगर मुझे coordinate of point निकालना है P on the circle, तो कितने unknowns है? दो unknowns है.
Oh.
Tell me yes or no.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
bro.
So that means you assume theta is not there. That means this is sure that if there are two unknowns, that means I require two relations now. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
But,
Yes, sir.
but if I am able to give you value of x and y only with one variable, that will save your time. So what I do, I'll drop a line from here. Let this be the perpendicular line. So length OM is going to be x, length PM is going to be y. Are you all with me?
Y is A sin theta.
Agree करते हो आप लोग? Therefore, coordinate of point P, x comma y will now be what? Right? That means if I only know theta value, because for the given circle A is always there. Correct now. Now only if I know the theta value, I'll be in a position to calculate what the coordinates of x and y, right? So here, your equation 1 and 2 are called as the parametric equation, and theta is the parameter. Is that clear? So ये आपको समझना है. ये आपका equation जो ये है ना, x equal to a cos theta, y equal to a sin theta, these are the parametric equations. Okay. अब एक और चीज देखो ना, from just for your understanding, I'll show you something very interesting. Correct, all of you all? Cos theta is sine by x by and sine theta is y by. Okay, square and add. Cos square plus sine square is 1. तो ये क्या बन गया आपका इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल? स्टूडेंट्स हैव you followed this loudly, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please make a note of it. All pens down, look at this. The question says find parametric equations of the circle okay. So now let me solve it. So I'll write the given equation of circle is 4x square plus 4y square equals to 9. I very clearly sorted out this point that जो भी equation of circle रहेगा, you always have to see coefficient of x square y square should be same भी और 1 होना चाहिए. तो ये आएगा clear guys, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now from here I can write this implies my radius A is what? 3 by 2. Correct hai? So now we want to write the parametric equations. So the parametric equations are x will be equal to 3 by 2 cos theta by 2 sin theta. Is this clear? Yes or no?
sir.
Okay, ये मैं एक और क्वेश्चन लिख रहा हूँ साथ में, वो भी देख लो जरा. Okay, you're supposed to calculate the Cartesian. Cartesian matlab it should be in terms of x and y. Okay, so I'll do the same method. I'll write here अब आप क्या करोगे, स्क्वायर एंड ऐड कर दोगे. करेक्ट है ना स्टूडेंट्स? कम ऑन, यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
चलो प्लीज खत्म करो इसको. So you want to calculate the parametric equations of the circle. I wrote the answer. I'm supposed to calculate the parametric equations of the circle. I wrote the answer also, but I'm solving it now. So I'll try to convert this in the form x square plus y square equal to a square, for which I'll need to complete my perfect square. I'll add here 9. I'll add here 9. I'll add here 4. I'll add here 4. Correct? So the parametric equation will be what? X minus 3 will be equal to what? A cos theta. Is this clear, everybody? Stop and look here on the screen. I'm starting the sum. Everybody, come on. So they have told you the circle touches the two parallel lines. How do you know they are parallel? Because slopes are equal. Coefficient of x and y are same. So that's my first parallel line L1, and this is my second parallel line L2. Okay. Then they say that the red line is 2x plus y, which passes through the center. Correct? मैं repeat करता हूँ. The red line is 2x plus y equal to 0, which passes through the center. So I've drawn the red line also. Correct? So let us say the red line. अच्छा एक काम करते हैं, हम एक काम करते हैं, distance between the parallel lines निकालते हैं. Now distance between the parallel lines will give you the radius. Okay, so I'll write here.
It will be diameter, right? Not radius.
Distance will be the radius. No? I'm sorry, diameter. The length of the diameter. आपका रेडियस रेडी हो गया. करेक्ट है. अब सेंटर निकालते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स अंडरस्टैंड करो, ये रेड लाइन इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है यहां पे, लेट अस से एट पॉइंट ए. ओके, सो वी हैव लाइक L1 corresponds to okay, to find A, solve 1 and 3. So आपको A मिल जाएगा because A is the intersection of line L1 and the red line. You solve it, you'll get the value of A. To find B, solve 2 and 3. Okay, 2 is the equation of line L2 and 3 is the equation of red line. They'll get the coordinates of B. अब next क्या? A मालूम है, B मालूम है. Correct है? Now you can apply what form? You can apply the midpoint formula. You'll get the coordinate of C. I repeat, you can apply the midpoint formula. You can get the coordinate of C. एक टाइम सेंटर मिल गया, रेडियस मालूम है, यूज द सेंटर रेडियस फॉर्म. समझ में आ गई बात? Start please.
So
Can you also?
So when you do the distance from the tangent as a radius, you'll get a mod will be there. So you'll get two set of coordinates.
Come again.
So like when you take the distance from like from either line, like 4x plus 3y.
So how do you do this further now? You know that you can equate both the radii, both the perpendicular distances. पहले हमने क्या किया? Center lies on the line 4x plus 3y equals to 2. So the coordinates will satisfy. Now I'll apply my perpendicular distance formula. So I'll have h upon root of correct है. Now you square on both the side. You will get one expression. और उसमें क्या करो? अब h को replace कर दो या k को replace कर दो, h को replace कर दो. आप square कर दो दोनों तरफ. So when you square on both the sides, what will you get? You will get one second. हाँ, ये नीचे नहीं आएगा square. Now, when you solve it, you will see that you will replace h from here as 2 minus 3k upon 4. Substitute कर दो यहाँ पे h को, solve करो, quadratic k में आएगा. Okay, quadratic k में आ गया, वहां से आपको दो values of k मिलेंगे, correspondingly दो values of h मिलेंगे. Are you with me? फिर आपको रेडियस निकाल लोगे आप. रेडियस एक टाइम निकल गया. रेडियस मतलब आप कोई भी ये परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस निकाल लो. रेडियस मिल गया, दो सेंटर्स प्रेजेंट है, दो ही सर्कल पॉसिबल होगा. इज दिस क्लियर नाउ? Students, can you hear me? Can you please tell me yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys,
Yes, sir.
आप इसको सॉल्व करोगे तो आपको ये तो आपको देगा h का वैल्यू आएगा 2 माइनस, we can write here from 1, h will be equal to चलो कंप्लीट करो अभी ये. Tell me the values of k that you will get.